Are you looking to prepare healthier meals? This video will introduce you to various cooking techniques like grilling, baking, and steaming. Grilling helps reduce excess fats and adds a delightful smoky flavor. Baking is a nutritious alternative to frying, requiring less oil and preserving nutrients. Steaming is a gentle method that retains the vitamins and minerals in your ingredients. By incorporating these techniques into your cooking routine, you can create delicious and nutritious meals effortlessly. Grilling offers a healthier cooking option by reducing excess fats in your meals. Not only does it help in trimming down the fat content, but it also imparts a delicious smoky flavor to your dishes. The beauty of grilling lies in its ability to enhance the taste without the need for additional oils or fats, making it a great technique for those looking to eat healthier. When it comes to healthier cooking, baking emerges as a prime choice over frying due to its lower oil requirement. Baking not only cuts down on excess fats but also ensures that the nutrients in the food are preserved. This makes baking a nutritious method of cooking that promotes a healthier lifestyle. By opting for baking instead of frying, you can enjoy flavorful dishes without compromising on the nutritional value of your meals. Steaming stands out as a gentle cooking method that retains the essential vitamins and minerals present in the ingredients. By using steam to cook your meals, you ensure that the nutritional value is locked in, making it a favorable choice for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. Particularly when it comes to vegetables, steaming is an excellent way to preserve their nutrients without compromising on taste. Incorporating steaming into your cooking routine can help you prepare wholesome and nutritious meals effortlessly. Discover practical tips to seamlessly integrate grilling, baking, and steaming into your daily meal preparation. By incorporating these cooking techniques into your routine, you can whip up a variety of delicious and healthy dishes effortlessly. Whether it's grilling for that smoky flavor, baking for nutrient-rich meals, or steaming to preserve vitamins, these tips will help you make the most of these healthy cooking methods and elevate the nutritional value of your meals.